Hey there friends, today I'm going to declutter this little area in my bedroom, and then I'm going to clean back behind that chair. I just stuff back there. There's a lot of pictures. If I get to it, I'm going to clean this area up over by my husband's side of the bed. That's his stuff, so I might not do that. I first got this is my laundry that needed to be put up. It was already folded, I think, but I needed to go through it and get everything put up and get that basket out of the way. And then I'm just going to go through every single thing that's sitting over here. A lot of it is mail that needs to just be gone through. And there was so many boxes from Amazon that I needed to open up and put where they go. And then I bought a huge mirror that is a leaning full body mirror, and I'm going to get that set up. So we'll just go through this stuff together. I will say that last week I came on and told you guys about me splitting the laundry up a little bit differently, where I'm only doing my laundry one day, my husband's one day, my youngest son's one day, and then a load of towels one day and a load of whites one day. And I still love it. I still love it. There's not a pile of laundry that needs to be put up anywhere because I do it all as it's done. Now I am looking at some clothes of my husband's that I need to put up, but I'm going to put them up, and then I'm currently washing mine. But it's not mountains and mountains of laundry that I have to do, and it's not weighing on my mind. So I highly recommend that. If you're overwhelmed with laundry, try that. That's really made a difference for me. One odd thing that I keep in my bedroom is drinks. I keep all the kids' Capri Suns and Gatorades and Dr. Peppers in here because if I leave them out in the kitchen or in the pantry, I'm telling you they'll be gone in a day. They have no willpower to say no if they don't have to come into my room and ask me to get it. So I've started just keeping them in here, but to make it look a little better, I put it in this box, in this basket. Fun fact about me and my husband, we are newlyweds. We were married about a year ago, and Before we had our bedroom redone and put this wainscoting up, I had a bunch of pictures made from the wedding, but the thing is that I don't want to like damage the wainscoting, and so a lot of them won't fit anymore. That is the picture of when Fred and I got engaged, and he asked me to marry him in front of the Rockefeller Christmas tree. I love Christmas. I love Christmas trees, and he took me to the Mecca to ask me. So I was just going through everything and wanted to make sure everything wasn't damaged and try to get a game plan of where I want to hang these pictures. I'm going to end up hanging one up above my bed, and the others I'm going to put into the blue room. Behind this chair, this is a recliner, and it was so dusty. I haven't moved it and swept behind it in forever. And I had a yoga mat back there. That orange bag is my work bag, and I end up putting that back behind the chair because I like to know exactly where it is for when I go to work. I ended up putting the box of drinks in my closet, and then I got a throw from the living room that matched the comforter, and then I'm going to end up putting that fur blanket that was on the chair into the living room. That blanket is from West Elm, the furry one, and I just really need to make sure the kids don't use it when they eat. So they'll get blankets to eat because I keep it really cold downstairs because I'm of a certain age where I stay hot. And so they're always getting blankets, but I don't really want them to eat with the West Elm blanket, if you know what I mean. So I was watching YouTube in the background, and when my show that I was watching went off, mine came on right after. I was so pumped. I was like, wow, that girl sounds familiar. So that was a really cool moment, actually, to like see myself, hear myself. I realize that I'm creating this content and I'm putting it online and nobody else is really putting it online or whatever, but it's still pretty cool to see yourself on TV. putting that navy blue, it's like a desk chair, lap desk. That's what it is, a lap desk. I ended up just tossing that back behind the chair because there's no easy way to fold that thing up. And it's the perfect space for it. And we actually might use it to do work in bed kind of thing. So that's where that's going to stay. But that's the only thing I let myself put back there. And I went ahead and took some time to sweep really well. You see all the dust? That was all behind that chair. And in between, In that other planter basket I got from Goodwill, I put my planner and the mail that needs to be gone through. I went ahead and nailed up one of our wedding pictures, one of the beach pictures. I think it really looks good in here. Our bedroom's kind of coastal. And I thought it looked great. I got the mirror from Walmart, and this is it. It's a big mirror, and I thought maybe I can slide it in here myself. Well, my husband heard me making a racket, trying to get the box open, and he brought it in for me real quick and effortlessly, and I was tickled as can be, and it looks so good in here. I can't wait to actually see my outfits, and maybe I'll start sharing some Walmart hauls and stuff like that. Here's a final look at it with the area cleaned up and with the mirror in place, and I couldn't be happier with how this turned out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe.